Welcome to KNUTH Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools supplier. Today we are presenting a manual folding machine from the SBS series. The model SBS-E is a manual folding machine for bending steel sheets up to a maximum 1.5mm over 2,500mm in length. The durable solid casted frame construction assures a long operating life. The sheet is passed between the upper and lower beam, and the upper beam is closed with the control levers on the right side of the machine. The bending beam may be lowered and can thus be adjusted to different sheet thicknesses. All models have a hardened segmented upper tool. The maximum stroke of the top beam is approximately 120mm. The adjustable angle stop and the bending beam is very helpful when producing small series with the same angle. A manually adjustable back gauge is an option for this model. Our program also offers a variety of sheet metal processing machines and matching accessories. Speak to our KNUTH representatives today to advise you on the best solution for your business.